Hey guys, in this video tutorial we will learn how to create NFT digital art on Canva. Also we will learn how people are selling NFTs and how much they are being sold for and what is the total value of this particular industry. We will go everything in deep on this video, so please watch it till the end. So let's get started. First of all, let's understand the total worth of this particular industry so that we can get to know how much this industry is performing, right? So first of all, you will simply Google NFT industry total worth, and you can see that the industry was worth $11.3 billion in 2021. So it also stated, as per the report, the sector is predicted to grow by 33.7% compound annual growth rate in the next 8 years. So 33% growth is a huge amount of growth in the future. So if you are planning to create more NFTs, or if you're planning to start creating, trading or selling NFTs in the future, this is the perfect industry for you. So we'll also learn that the market growth and the total industry growth is amazing as per the articles mentioned on Google, right? Also, as I can see from my side, I have also made some of the research for you to understand what are the most expensive NFTs that has been sold. Here is a complete article on CoinsGrid. It states that the most 15 NFTs, the most expensive 15 NFTs ever sold in 2022. So these are the brief history of NFTs, and you can see that the merge NFT was sold for $91.8 million. Everdays was sold for $69.3 million, right? So you can just have a look how the NFT look like for the merge, which was sold for $91.8 million. So this is the NFT created by Everdays. So the first 5,000 days, what they have done is they have added the 5,000 days image into one digital art, and that was sold for $69.3 million. You can also see NFTs from the clock, which was sold for $52.7 million. The human one, which was sold for $28.9 million. So this is not a physical thing. This is just a digital art that was being sold for this amount of money. So you can see that, if you create more and more NFTs, you can certainly make huge amount of money in this particular industry. All you have to do is you just need to learn how to create the digital art, and you are good to go. That's the reason we have created this video, to help you understand how you can create your own NFT, right? So you can create NFTs in art, memes, domain names, gaming, fashion, sports moments, music, tax-based NFTs. So everything that can be done. So even a tax-based NFT, which was sold by Jack Dorsey, which is the founder of the Twitter, he sold his first tweet as well, which was very controversial, right? So this industry has huge potential. So let's understand how you can create this one. So all you have to do is just go to canva.com and create your own account, free account on Canva. This is how the page looks like, and there are so many things that can be done on Canva. You can create a whiteboard, presentation, video, Instagram post, poster, logo. There are so many things that can be done on Canva. You can also purchase a pro version, a paid one. But for creating NFTs, as of now, you don't need a pro version. You can just simply go ahead and start with the free one. Simply click on custom size, add 613 width and 613 height for your NFT. That's the one that is being used for this purpose, and you can see a blank page has come up, right? So NFTs, as I told previously, NFTs can be created for anything. So let's just for an example create an NFT for panda. Yeah, so I've got this panda here, and I've taken out this image. I've just put it in the center. Yeah, and we'll just simply color this down here, any color that you want to choose to create your NFT. Just simply place it well, and if you just go ahead and simply download this image and place it to the marketplace, it will not sell, because this is not the art. This is not something creative that you have done with the image. You have to be creative. So if you can see the 15 most expensive in NFTs, you will see the creativity. Look at this. This is the 5,000 days picture that they have put it in one frame. And that's the reason it was sold for $69.3 million. That's how you can get paid for an NFT. You have to create your own art, right? So what we can do here is we can just simply add some of the elements and make it more creative. Let's say, for an example, we can add a cap to it. Yeah, so we can just simply go ahead and take out any cap and just simply put it in. That's it, no big deal. We'll just choose a good cap here. Okay, let's put this one here. So make sure you don't choose the pro one, because if you choose the pro one, it will ask you to purchase a subscription. If you want to purchase a subscription, then you can definitely go ahead and do that. But if you don't want to, then simply don't do that, because it will create the watermark for Canva. So you can see we have added a cap on this. It makes it creative. If you don't want to tweak any of these, you can simply take this one, make a huge. Okay, just do this here. Be creative, guys. Whenever you're creating such things, be creative. That's how you can make money in NFT. So that's it. It's done. You will see this looks very creative. You can add so many things onto this. You can also add boots to this here. There are so many things that can be done. However, we will just doing it for an example purpose, so we'll just leave it here. And once you have done creating everything that you can add from your side, you can simply go ahead and click on share, and then click on download, and download the PNG file, because that's the highest quality. Click on download. It will be downloaded very soon. Once it is done, you can simply open the image and you can see your NFT here. Once you have got your NFT, you can simply go ahead and list it over to the marketplace. So the marketplace of the NFTs, you can see the CryptoPunks NFT 694 Ethereum, right? Other dead for other side 459. You can see the collections of NFT. You can see the trending NFTs as well. So this is the marketplace. Just like we have Amazon for shopping. Amazon is a marketplace for shopping things like phones, laptops, and so many other things. This is the marketplace for selling NFTs. Just like we have buyers on Amazon, we have sellers on Amazon, we have buyers and sellers for NFTs at OpenSea. There are so many other websites as well, NFT marketplace as well for NFTs. But these are the most popular ones. You can see people are creating these NFTs and selling it onto these platforms. So this is a very simple process wherein you can create your NFT and list it over to the OpenSea portal. We will also create a separate video on how you can list it and make a listing that sells very good. We will definitely create a video on that one as well. And we will also teach on further things that can be done on OpenSea as well on the next videos. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any further doubts related to NFTs, you can simply comment it down and we will answer to your reply. Thank you. Have a nice day.